everyone, welcome back to a new video, and today we're going to be tying and dyeing. A new series on the channel. We're going to be doing 4 more of these. This is the first one, and let's go on with this. So we got 5 colors: red, blue, purple, green, and yellow. And we also got some rubber bands. We got our white shirt that is wet, and I had no idea it was wet. So yeah, and I also have gloves. So yeah, if any of this comes on my gloves, it will come on my gloves, but it won't come on my hands. So here's the kit we're doing, and I just found out something that this comes out, and I never knew that this comes out. So, this is the thing that helps you do the tie and dye. I think I found the BullsEye one here too. And by the way, we're doing the BullsEye techniques this one. Okay guys, let's get started. You got your flat out and let's go. So, for the first step, we have to pull this up and then use the other hand to like support it kind of until it's something like this. And then I think you have to put the rubber bands. So let me get my rubber band on. Wait, why do I have to wear my gloves anyway? I took off my gloves because they weren't feeling that much comfortable. So about an inch or 2. So, excuse me. Hello? Can I put it? Okay. I think that will be enough. And then let's just put it there once more. And I have my helper here to help me if I need any trouble, and this is the perfect timing. So yeah, we got the first part on, and this is gonna be yellow, and then we're gonna like put lots more of them. So this is the first rubber band. Now let's take our next rubber band and put it, oh my gosh. Oh, that was easy. That was pretty easy. And then, oh my god, that's so hard. That's so hard. The double knot technique is pretty good, but I mean pretty hard. Okay, so let's just put it in a straight line. There. A little down should be good, because we want the second one to have a longer eye for the bullseye kind of. So yeah, this will be yellow, and this will be another color. And my helper is doing something right now. And then we gotta do the exact same thing for all of them until the bottom. And listen to this, how crazy it is that when I'm at the bottom, I have to go all the way up and stretch it. That will be very hard. Okay, so the third one, let's see where I want to put it, around there, and then around, oh my god, that was an alien voice right there. Okay, so I think one knot wouldn't do that much. So let's put a double knot. Oh, no. No, that was pretty easy. This one was pretty easy. Okay, guys, so now we're going to be putting some time lapse on because we feel like this is going to take a very long time to do. You guys probably saw it in like 1 or 2 seconds, but it took us like around 10 minutes to put on these rubber bands. I'm gonna use 3 colors only out of all of these: yellow, blue, and green. So this actually will be red. So 6 like this. So brum 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 brum, and then we'll use red for this outer part. That will look good. So let's start off with the yellow. Oh my god, this is my first time doing some tie-dye. Oh my. But before we do anything, you have to shake. So shake. I did the shaking. So let's do this, everyone. Pokemon. So I already put a little bit, which looks pretty good. Let's go. And then I think that'll be it for the first part of this. Just try it and not put it on the other side. And then, so this one. Don't you think this is pretty satisfying? Comment down below if you think it's pretty satisfying. we're gonna make other videos. I can remember 2 names of them. So we're gonna be doing some blank and blank because I don't want it to be whatever it's called. A surprise, yeah. So now let's do the blues here and here. Then the green will be here and here, then red will be here to finish off it. Okay, let's shake real quick. Shakety shake, make. Okay, I shaked it. Oh my god. So yeah, I'm not wearing my gloves. So I actually put it back on. So yeah, let's do it. Oh my, that was just a split second. It's kind of like a darkish bluish, blackish thingy poo. Well, I mean, it looks black when it goes on the table. Whoa, it's actually the shirt thingy poo is actually absorbing it. I don't know how it'll turn out. Comment down below if you know. Comment down below if you actually have done this before. Now it's the other one. So it's this one. Yeah. There. Trying not to get it on the other color. It's the season to be very bad because it's COVID-19. But I don't get it. Like, how would the thing absorb? Comment down below. It's pretty weird. Oh no, I just sprayed a whole part, 2 parts of the exact same part. Okay, I hope none just mixes up and turns into green. Speaking of green, we're almost to green. There. It looks like. Yeah. So we're done with the blue. Now we're on to green. So let's shakety shake before we do it. There we go. We did it. Okay, let's do this. Oh wait, what? This is pretty green, to be honest. And if I'm being honest. I'll do that later. Let's get onto this side now. Oh wow. Oh my gosh. Can't believe this is gonna turn out so good. Bullseye. Okay, I even created a song about it. Okay, let's do it. Green, drop. I can't believe like this is happening because remember at the beginning of the episode this was white, fully white, but now if you can see with the naked eye, it is not. I mean, it still has some yellow parts. We'll have to rinse it after like 4 to 6 hours. But we're basically done with this side. Now, for some reason, I have no idea how. But before we do that, remember we still have to do the red. We're about to shake with the cactus fruit. We got the mess up, and let's get on with the red. Okay. The whole thing is gonna be red, so we're gonna need a lot of red. It's already like just. Oh my, so satisfying. Satisfying much? Oh my god. Super satisfying. It's pretty cool, like the second you spray it, it comes on. Because this is gonna be my collar part. Well. Look how good this became. Red is awesome, but it'll be even more awesomer when we flip it over. Okay. God, I hope this works. Please. It's so white now. guys, so I flipped it, and we're gonna start off with the yellow again. I'm pretty scared about the red because last time we did it, it just exploded. It was weird. So this is how it looks right now. Now we're gonna have to wait 6 to 8 hours and we'll see you then. The next morning, and now we're gonna be taking off the rubber bands to see how the shirt came on. One off, now the other side. Okay, we got this part off. Let's open it. Whoa! OMG! It's looking so good from here already. Okay guys, look at this. We did it. OMG. Open the shirt. Please say it came out good. Oh my God! Oh my Lord! What? Oh my gosh! Oh! This is so epic! Oh, it looks like there's actually a real eye. Let's check the back if it's the same. Oh, it's the exact same at the back. Oh my gosh! It turned out perfect! OMG. What is this? Now I'm going to be wearing this every day the first day of school. First week of school, sorry. Oh my God, that just looks awesome. And I can't believe I just tie-dyed it on my own. And this was first #1 try. No attempts. This was the first attempt, no other attempts, and we got it perfect. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. Please like this video. Please follow me on TikTok and Instagram and Facebook. So see you on a new video.